I have already done my face, foundation, powder, blush, or the contour color. I have not done my highlight yet. I've done my eyebrows and I've primed my lids with Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now I'm going to go in with my brush and the Saint Sinner palette by Kat Von D. And let's see here. I am going to take Baptism, which is this one right here. I'm going to apply that under my brow. Give it a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going to go in with this brush. And I'm going in with Heaven, which is this one right here. I'm going to apply that to the center of my eye. My eyelid, I should say. Now I'm going in with this brush, and I'm going in with Chalice, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that right here on the inside corner. And kind of blend that into Heaven as well. I need to move this mirror over more. There we go, that's better. Now I'm going in with this brush and doing Sanctuary, which is this one right here. And putting that right on the outer corner, or the outer portion of my lid. And I'm just lightly tapping it on there. Kind of blend that in a little bit too. So we got the three colors right there. And same on the other side. Just lightly tapping. There we go. Now I'm going in with this little pointy detail brush, and I'm going to take Crucifix, which is this one right here. Just put it right on the tip. Tap the excess off. I'm going to go in my crease. And very slowly build that up with a darker color You want to go slow and slowly build it up, because they are not forgiving. Gonna kind of make a little wing. You don't have to, but this is what I like to do. Work on the wing a little bit more. I'm going to tilt my head back a little bit and add some more right there. I'm also raising my eyebrows. Like that. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, off camera. And now that I've done that, I'm going to take the same brush, same color crucifix, and go in like that. As close to those lashes as possible. There we go. Now I'm going to take this brush, I don't even know what this brush would be called, and I'm going to go in with Amen. Put some just on there and soften up that edge. That way we don't have a super harsh line. If you like super harsh lines, that's fine. That's not what I'm going for today, though. Sorry about the heater in the background. Now I'm going to go in with the brush that I used Heaven on and put that on the inner corners right here. Like that. And tear duct as well. Okay. Now that we are done with the eyeshadows, I'm going in with this Hard Candy Walk the Line liquid liner in Asphalt. And I'm going to do a nice wing. There we go. I'm going to do the other side off camera. And now I am going to do my waterline, both top and bottom, with my Smashbox Always Sharp liner. I'm going to take a beauty blender and gently pull. I'm not going to pull super hard, just enough to pull it down. And same thing on the other side. There we go. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. Do the tops of my lashes. And the same on the other side. Alright. So now I'm using that beauty blender again, and my highlight, which is the Flower Face and Body Illuminator, and it is SR1. Pat that on. You can use your fingers too if you wanted. Gosh, why is my nose running all of a sudden? Sorry. Oh, that's pretty dark right there. Okay. So pat that on my forehead. Tilt my head back. That way I'm not getting the creases in my forehead. And down my nose. It's like blinding. A little above my cupid's bow. Now, for lips. And this is the completed look. You can wear this with glasses, without glasses. I think it looks good for both. As far as lips go, you can go with a nude or something more bold, such as this one, which is Serpentine by Maybelline, which is a green. You can also do pretty much any color with it. I'm going to go with this one, which is Peach Sickle by Too Faced. There we go. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you get notifications every time I upload. You can follow me on Facebook, C Sprite Makeup, and Instagram, C Sprite Makeup. And I hope you all have a safe and blessed holiday season. Bye.